At Voyten Electric, we deal with all sorts of electrical equipment that keeps your plant or business up and running, from the obsolete 1950s, 60s to the current production models.
We are sitting on 400 plus acres of property right now and 3 locations. We have over 400,000 square feet of products under roof, and the inventory grows every day.
Voyten Electric offers switchgear from low voltage 480 volt up to 38 kV. Small products like starters and contactors, also into the long range like 38 kV switches, switchgear, and breakers. 2 of the unique product lines that Voyten provides is RL breakers. With the breakers, you also have the parts and the pieces. The other one is SPB breaker, which is an insulated case breaker. We also have all the accessories for those as well.
The rebuild process here at Voyten is a very in-depth process where we fully tear the breaker down to its last individual component as far as possible. We pay very close attention to any parts or pieces that need to be replaced. The breaker will go through a long process of new paint, new zinc plating, new silver plating on copper if it's needed, and everything gets put right back together the way it was originally designed. We have technicians who have been doing this for a very, very long time, well over 40 years. We've had some clients comment that the equipment that we've reconditioned for them came back showroom ready.
The QA process is a 37-point checklist performed by 3 separate individuals that is unique to the product that we're evaluating. We operate the breaker mechanically and electrically to ensure that it behaves the way it's intended to. We have checkpoints along the way to ensure that hardware is tight and that hardware is correct to what the original manufacturer specifications originally had for that product. And then we do an overall craftsmanship check of the breaker to make sure that the quality is there, checking things such as the paint, the plating, proper grease, and just the overall reassembly and aesthetics of the final product.
If you call into the 24-hour, 7 days a week phone number, it will ring into the owner's house, Mike and Tom. Either handle it themselves or they'll call one of us in that specialize in that product line. And then we contact the customer and get everything taken care of. We can schedule custom carriers to take it there as fast as they can.
We always hear that, we didn't know you did this, we didn't know you did that. And the only way you're going to find out of all the equipment that we have is that visit. Or feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you.